Hey everyone, it's Tracy Varon, Independent Executive Director with Pampered Chef, and I'm here to show you today how easy it is to shop for products at a discount with your consultant discount. Okay, so here we go. First of all, make sure you're in Consultant's Corner and confirm that you're in the consultant cart, not show cart, but consultant cart. Click on that and then click here to shop now. Now, once you've applied that consultant cart, you're going to see your discount applied to these items. So let me just show you. First of all, you can order any of your supplies here, which means you can order catalogs, giveaway items for your party, anything that you might need to have a successful business, and they're at quite a significant discount. All right, that's one kind of product category you're eligible to shop in. The other is a sample category. Now the samples mean these are the newest products in our catalog by season, and they are available to you for a limited time at half price. Usually it's been half price. That could change in the future, so if you're watching this later, just know that may have changed, but for now they're typically at half price. And these are all the newest items in our catalog, and you are eligible to purchase them at half price. Then you can go back and look at, for example, just the regular catalog, tools that, have been in our catalog for a while. And let's say you'd like to purchase the manual food processor with your consultant discount. Now, everyone's consultant discount is a little bit different depending on their level with Pampered Chef. Mine is going to be a bit higher than normal because I'm an executive director. But let me just show you that when you add the item, it will take whatever discount you are eligible for and apply it for you. All right, and so you can also combine your carts. So for example, meaning you can combine different product categories. So for example, in the consultant cart, you could also have items from the the sample category, or from the supply category, or from just any product category. It's okay to put them all into this one consultant cart to get your discount. I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any questions, reach out to your director. Thanks so much.